Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of derivative to find the tangent in here. So now I will show you how to answer. To find about the tangent, we need to find first derivative of y. First derivative of number 2, this is about the constant, so you got about 0. First derivative of sine x, you got about cosine x. Now we can apply the formula of the tangent. So we have y equals to first derivative of y at s equals to b, and we have s minus b plus we have b in here. We can put into here to find the value of y. So we calculate about this one, and we have number 2. So I will put number 2 in here. So about this one, I will put b equal here to find the value of this one. And we have number 1. So we simplify. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.